Hello guys, welcome to another video on the channel Learn Smarter and Remember Faster. I hope you're doing great. And yeah, today we are back with another video. In this video, we will definitely look into the questions or few of the sums which regarding a topic of perimeter and area. So you can definitely, I will definitely suggest you to please go and watch the video which I have shared like 3 days ago, and I will just provide its link on the description below. So I will definitely suggest you to please go and learn, first of all, look into that perimeter and area uh, video, or the area, I think the name of the video is mensuration. Okay, so I will definitely suggest you to please watch it and then come and try to see this video. So you know what I mean, like these are the concepts which I'm sharing. It will not only require you to your exams, but it will also require you to the rest of your exams, right? So it is not only for the kids, like only kids can watch it. It's definitely like the concepts are new to kids, but it is not always so. So all the adults can also watch it if they are like preparing for certain exams and all. Okay. So in this question, in this video, we will just look into like some few of the questions. Okay, it is not that advanced. The level, the difficulty of the questions is not that advanced. Just starting. Okay. So before I move ahead with the video, I will definitely suggest you to please subscribe, like, and share this video. Definitely subscribe so that any of the video keeps comes in my channel will be shown to you at first. Okay, so definitely don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's begin. So yes, again I'm telling you that it is very much needed to watch the video on mensuration. Okay, I will definitely provide the link in the description box. It's not a very big video, it's a very short video. Please go and watch it for once and then come and solve it. Okay, because it is needed, otherwise it won't be easier for you to remember the formulas. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so here it is telling that length is given to me. It is how much? It is 10 centimeter, and breadth is again given to me. It is 6 centimeter. So what do I have to do? I have to find its area, and then I have to find its perimeter. So I have to find its area, okay, and I have to find its perimeter. तो इस क्वेश्चन में दिया क्या गया है? इस क्वेश्चन में मेरे पास लेंथ है एंड ब्रेथ दिया गया है. Okay, so with the help of this I have to find the area and perimeter. ठीक है, so let's see. Since length and breadth is shown over here, that means it's definitely about a rectangular structure. Okay, sorry for that, a bit of I know this diagram is not perfect, but still just pardon me, but it's fine. We will just focus on the on sum. So it is telling that length is equals to 10 centimeter, okay, and breadth is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, we also know that the opposite side of the rectangle are equal, right? So if I just mark their vertices as A, B, C, D, then we can say that AB is equals to CD, right? And a BC is equals to AD. Okay, so once we are done with this, we will definitely going to say that if it is L, that means both are L and both are equals to b, right? So it is equals to 10 and it is equals to 6. So what is the formula we know? We know that perimeter that is considered as P. So perimeter P is equals to L plus B, okay? L, right? L plus B plus L again plus B, okay? So it will be, so we have even derived the formula in our previous video also, but here also I'm deriving it so that it becomes easier for you to follow. So ultimately we are going to get the formula as 2 into L plus B, okay? So how much I'm getting? I'm getting to 10 plus 6, which is going to be to 16, right? Which will give me 32 centimeters. So I hope you understand why it is centimeters, because I'm just adding it, right? Now, what about area? Yeah. What about area? So, we know the formula of area. Area means which portion? Area means the inside portion, right? That entire shaded portion is the area. I mean, total inside portion. So area is equals to length into breadth. Okay, so how much is length? So length we already know is 10 centimeter and breadth is we already know 6 centimeter. Okay, so 10 centimeter into 6 centimeter will give me how much? 10 into 6 is 60. Now what about centimeter? What will be the unit? So you definitely have to remember that the unit plays a very important role. If you don't give the unit, your few of the marks will be deducted. So centimeter into centimeter will give you centimeter square. Agar, okay, centimeter square. So this is the answer for this and the answer for perimeter. Okay. So this was the first question. Let's move ahead for the second one. So here they are telling that the area and length is given. We have to find its breadth and perimeter. So how much is area? We know area is equals to 20 centimeters square and length is equals to 20 centimeter. Find its breadth and perimeter. So we know area is equals to length into breadth, right? Right, area is equals to length into breadth. मेरे पास area का वैल्यू, तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, मेरे पास ऑलरेडी L है और A भी है, राइट? तो मुझे क्या करना है, ब्रेथ निकालना है, राइट? तो पेरीमीटर के लिए मुझे व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पेरीमीटर? पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 2 into L plus B. पेरीमीटर ऑफ व्हाट? पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, राइट? लेकिन मुझे तो आई नीड ब्रेथ एज वेल, लेकिन इन केस ऑफ एरिया लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इज देयर, राइट? तो मुझे, मैं तो पहले तो पेरीमीटर निकाल ही नहीं पाऊंगी, पहले मुझे इस ए इंटू ए इक्वल्स टू एल इंटू बी के बी से मुझे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट, आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट लेंथ, okay? I have to find out length or I have to find out the breadth. Okay, so length is already provided, a is already provided, तो अभी हमको बस breadth निकालना है. तो how I will find out the breadth? A, it is in multiplication from, so transpose होगा इस side, so it will be A divided by L is equals to breadth. How much is A? A is equals to 20 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो हम लोग ना 20 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर वैसे नहीं लिखेंगे. आई विल जस्ट राइट द यूनिट इन व्हाट फॉर्म? In the form of factorization, in the form of its factors. So centimeter into centimeter. Okay, and what about length? Length is equals to 20 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, तो इसको काट दो, ठीक है, इसको भी काट दो। सो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 1। सो ब्रेथ का वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है? ब्रेथ is actually equals to 1 centimeter. Okay, perimeter is equals to, तो अभी मेरे पास I got both L, like I have L and I also got B, 20 and 1, right? So perimeter कैसे निकालना? perimeter निकालना L 20 plus breadth 1, 2 into 21, so 442 centimeter. Done. So my breadth is 1 centimeter, right? So my, breadth is 1 centimeter, and, P, right? And my P, value of P is 42 centimeter, okay? This is the second kind of sum which we have discussed right now. So one thing you have to know is a linear equation, okay? So if you know linear equation, you will be able to find any problem, and you also have to know the equations. So I will again suggest you to please go and watch the video of mensuration. So once you remember this formula ना, तभी तुम आसानी से ये वाला जो पोर्शन है, यू कैन इजीली कवर इट अप, ठीक है? अगर ये वाला सब कुछ पता ही है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली फाइंड आउट, आई एम श्योर। तो यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है कि लेंथ इज 8 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ इज 7 सेंटीमीटर। सो आई कांट इमेजिन इट एज रेक्टेंगल। वाई? क्योंकि रेक्टेंगल का एक लेंथ ज्यादा होता है और एक साइड का लेंथ कम होता है, राइट? बट दैट इज नॉट द केस. It is saying both as 8 centimeter. So most probably I can see that it's a square, right? 8, 8, right? And again 8 and 8. All right. So what I know, what is the formula for the area of the square? It is equals to side into side, right? And what about the perimeter? Perimeter P is equals to 4 into side, right? Or we can also add sides, since the sides are same, so they are definitely multiplying 4 times the side. So you can definitely see the video over there, right, to find it out. See, देखो यहाँ पे अगर each and every side is A, so my ultimate perimeter will be what? A plus A plus A, right? And which will be equals to 4A, right? So वही मैंने directly लिख दिया 4 into side, okay? अच्छा, तो पहले एरिया निकालो, चलो। How much is area? Area is equals to 8 into, which is equals to 64. What? Again, centimeter into centimeter, right? So centimeter into centimeter will give me how much? It will be centimeter square. What about perimeter? Perimeter is equals to 4 into 8. 4 8 is 32 centimeter, okay? So the value of area is 64 centimeters square and the value of perimeter is 32 centimeter. Done? Okay. This is again third type of sum. So यहाँ से तुमको समझना पड़ेगा कि whether it's a square or a rectangle. This is the kind of sum, right? कैसे? मतलब अगर देखो, अगर length and breadth दोनों ही same है, that means it's a square, right? The sides are square. The sides are same, but if they are different, then we can think of it as a rectangle, okay? Let's move ahead. Okay, so here we can see that we have to find the length of a rectangular field. We already know the length of the rectangular field, which is 200 meter, and width is 100 meter. Okay, now the cost of plowing the field. Cost of plowing the field at the, so we can see it over here. You know what? We can see it over here in a very nice manner that so we can see it over here that it is being given, what is given to us. First of all, we have to look into the thing that what is given in the problem. So what is given? The length is provided to us of the rectangular field, which is 200 meter, right? Then the width, or we can say breadth, is provided to us, which is equals to 100 meter, right? Now we have to find the cost of plowing the field. It at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square, the cost of fencing it with wire at the rate of. So do you know what is plowing, right? So if this is my field, suppose, sorry, if this is my field, I have to plow inside the plot, right? In any way, right? So it is normally telling us the area, referring the area, right? So to find out the area, what I will do, right? So they are telling that the cost of 1 meter square. So अगर ये छोटा सा, suppose I'm considering this portion as 1 meter square. तो अगर ये portion अगर they are plowing, तो they are taking 10 meter square. So total इस plot का जितना भी area होता है, उसके हिसाब से उसका cost कितना जाएगा to plow. यही है बात. So we know the formula. We know the formula, right? What is it? It is actually area is equals to length into breadth. Yes or no? Length into breadth, right? And perimeter ka, what was the formula we have learned? Again, I'm telling you, please quickly go and watch the video on mensuration. If not, then you have to, because over there only the formulas are being shown that how we got the formula. Okay, and the perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Okay. So let's find out the area. Okay, so they are at first is telling us about the area. Right, तो area कितना है जिसमें वो प्लाव कर रहे हैं, उसका टोटल एरिया कितना है? इट विल बी लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ, राइट? सो इट इज 2 1s are 2, उसके बाद कितना जीरो है? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4 meters square, right? So it is actually 20,000 meters square. ठीक है, so the total area of the plot is 20,000 meters square. ठीक है, what is the cost? Let me write it down. Cost of plowing. Cost of plowing 1 meter square is 10 rupees, right? Therefore, cost of plowing 20,000 meter square will be how much? 2 lakh. 3 4 5. Total 2 lakh rupees. Rupees 2 3 4 5, right? So this is the cost required for plowing. तो अगर मुझे वो फील्ड के अंदर प्लाव करना है तो it will take me rupees 2 lakh. What about the fencing? Fencing का मतलब है कि जो border type नहीं बनाते. If you go to a farmland, you can see that if it is a farmland, there is something like this. As there is a bamboo sticks, and over there is a, these things, border kind of, कोई, so that no one enters, right? So ऐसे अगर पूरा बनाना है, तो that means they are talking about the perimeter या boundary, right? तो कैसे निकालना है? We know the formula of perimeter, which is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Length कितना है? Length is 200 meter. 2 into 200 plus 100, right? Will give me 2 into 300, right? Which will be equals to 2 3 the 600 meters square, right? 600 meters square. Sorry, not meters square. I'm really sorry. It will be actually meter. Okay, it will be actually meter. Okay, it will be actually meter. 600 meter. So 600 meter का मतलब क्या? ठीक है, it is actually 600 meters. So therefore the cost of fencing is equals to 15 per meter. तो 1 मीटर का वैल्यू 15 है, तो 600 मीटर का वैल्यू will be 15 into 600, right? Simple unitary method. So how much we are getting? 6 5 is 30, 6 1 is 6, 1 8 9 9. So rupees 9,000. Okay, it will be rupees 9,000. Okay, so why? Because 15 into 6 is 90, and उसके ऊपर से 20 more, so it will be 9,000 rupees. So मेरा 9,000 rupees is for fencing, and 2 lakh rupees is for area. ठीक है? Okay, so let's move ahead. I hope this one is clear, right? It will be also with the help of unitary method. 20,000 meters square will be equals to, what is the cost? 20,000 into 10. So, great. Let's move ahead. So find the area and perimeter of the given figure. All measurements are in centimeters. Okay. And the angle at each vertex is 90 degrees. So let me just do one thing. Let me just try to join it, okay, with the help of certain dotted lines. So I have already joined it with the help of a dotted line. ठीक है? तो इसका मतलब this one is 1, so this one should need to be 1. Again, if this one is 1, this one should also need to be 1. Right. So now I'm clear, right? So what I have to go. So I have to find the area and perimeter of this entire figure. ठीक है? So let's name them A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. ठीक है? So let me first take this, right? Take this entire rectangle. That is rectangle A, B, G, H. ठीक है? This is the rectangle, right? A, B, G, H. ठीक है? So we know AB is equals to 2 centimeter, right? Which is again equals to GH. ठीक है? Now what about this total AH? So AH जो भी है, AH जो है, it is actually equals to AL, right? Plus LI plus HI, right? AL प्लस एल आई प्लस एच आई, ठीक है। तो बोथ आर 1 1 1, राइट, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस यू नो 1 plus 1, ठीक है, which will be equals to 3 centimeter, right? So the area of this ABGH, ठीक है, तो ABGH, right? So again AH, you know, AH is equals to BG, since it's a rectangle, right? Opposite sides are equal, so it is also equals to opposite sides equal, ठीक है। So that means what? That means KBG is also equals to 3 centimeter. So what about the area? Right, area is equals to AB. Area of ABGH is how much? Area of ABGH is 2 into 3, which is equals to 6 centimeter square, right? Perimeter क्या है? Perimeter is actually equals to कितना है perimeter? जरा हमें भी बताओ। So see, पेरीमीटर तो बस मुझे बस ये टोटल बाउंड्री को ही 10 करना है, राइट? तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ द एंटायर फिगर, पहले हम सबका ना एरिया निकालता है, फिर हम सबका पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे, ठीक है? ठीक है, तो दिस वाज द एरिया ऑफ यू नो एबीजीएच, ठीक है। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सीडीईएफ, एरिया ऑफ सीडीईएफ, this is equals to how much? 1 and 2, right? So it will be 2 into 1, which will be 2 centimeter square. What about the area? What about the area which is KLIJ? Just 2 centimeter square, right? So the total area of the entire figure, इसका पूरा total होगा, ठीक है, पूरा इस एरिया का टोटल एरिया होगा, how much it will be? 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 plus 2 is how much? 10 centimeter square, right? Now what about the perimeter? Perimeter का मतलब हमको क्या पता है? Perimeter का मतलब हमको पता है कि हमको बस बाउंड्री का ही निकालना है. So in this case, I will definitely not think about, you know, this. ये मुझे तो बाउंड्री से लेना देना है ना, तो मुझे तो बस बाउंड्री से लेना देना है. तो व्हाट अबाउट बाउंड्री? व्हिच वन इज द बाउंड्री? बाउंड्री इज एक्चुअली this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one, ठीक है. So what I will do, I will calculate the boundary. So boundary, that is perimeter, will be equals to AB plus AL, sorry, BC plus CD, right, plus DE, right, plus FE plus FG plus GH, right. plus hi plus ij, ij jk plus kl प्लस एल ए। ठीक है, तो इस सबको मैं अगर ऐड करूंगी तो मुझे टोटल पेरीमीटर मिल ही जाएगा। सो हाउ मच इट इज कमिंग, लेट्स सी। so what I'll do, I'll just remove this part। ठीक है, तो मैं एक पोर्शन में करूंगी। ठीक है, let me just remove this part। I hope that won't make any problem। You can definitely just take the video a bit better, at the back side, and it will be, just rewind your video like few minutes back and you will definitely find this thing over there, right? So now I will do it over here। ठीक है, ठीक है। So perimeter is equals to the addition of the entire boundary। So how much it is? Perimeter equals to, this one is 2। ठीक है, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6। ठीक है, तो इतना तक मेरे पास 6 सेंटीमीटर आया। ठीक है, now again 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, और एक 6 सेंटीमीटर आया। ठीक है, देन 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, अगेन मेरे पास और एक 6 सेंटीमीटर आया। ठीक है, अगर दोनों को हम ऐड करते हैं तो हाउ मच आई एम गोइंग टू गेट, 18 सेंटीमीटर। सो द पेरीमीटर इज 18 सेंटीमीटर एंड द टोटल एरिया, राइट। देखिए, यही है तरीका टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया, क्योंकि इसे मुझे इसका एक्चुअली तो आई डोंट नो, इट्स अ क्रॉस लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, राइट। आई डोंट नो हाउ टू फाइंड इट्स एरिया। तो हम कैसे निकालेंगे, हम इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे, ऐसे डिवाइड करेंगे ताकि मुझे इसका हर एक स्ट्रक्चर, कैसे इसका एरिया निकालना है, ऑलरेडी नो। सो आई जस्ट डिवाइडेड इट इनटू रेक्टेंगल्स, राइट। So it depends like how you want to divide it। It's not always कि तुम यहाँ से करोगे, you can just do it, but the answer is going to come the same। ठीक है, this is another type of sum। okay, let's move ahead। so यहाँ पे बस एरिया दिया गया है स्क्वायर का। so area of a square is how much? area is side into side, right। तो आई होप कि तुम लोगों ने सीखा होगा कि कैसे स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है। square root, I will definitely come out with a video on square root। so yeah, square root video। और हम स्क्वायर रूट को कैसे लिखते हैं, हम स्क्वायर रूट को इस तरीके से भी लिखते हैं, राइट। so how much it is going to come? so it is in square centimeter, so I can also write it in this way, centimeters। so how much? so हम क्या करते हैं, I have to go for prime factorization method। so मुझे क्या पता है, I will start with the smaller prime factor which is 2, right। 7s are 2 2s are, again I will take it, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, again I'll go with 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, again I'll go with 2 9s are 18, again I will go with 3 into 3 is 9। तो अभी मुझे क्या करना है कि I'll just take a group of 2 numbers, one group, second group and 3। You have to take into consideration कि जब भी हम लोग ग्रुपिंग करेंगे तो दोनों हमको सेम ही नंबर चाहिए। अगर यहाँ पे और एक 3 होता तो उस we could not have taken it into the group, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब कुछ एक साथ ही है। so we can say कि yeah, it's a group, we can definitely take it। so क्या करेंगे, 2 2 into 3। ठीक है, इधर से एक लेंगे, इधर से एक लेंगे, इधर से एक लेंगे। so what I will do, 22 into 3, so it is coming to the 4 4 to the 12, 12 centimeter। so side of the square is 12 centimeter। okay, so it is very much important for you to know about the square root, how to find the square root। so I'll definitely come up with a video, until and that please try to use this prime factorization method। okay, okay, that was all for today's class। Thanks a lot, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video। you can also tell me a few of the topics which you want the video on, I'll definitely come out with it। I'm sure that this is gonna be a very helpful videos for you all। okay, bye, take care।